combine. This is our second field of beans this year, and it's not doing that good. We're able to knock out acres pretty quick. Like, we've already done probably around 60, maybe a bit less than that, but yeah. So it's pretty much the same with wheat, other than we have an air reel. See the fan down there, that's new. Before, on the old combine, we just had one right there, like that area right there, and then the tube would go along here and hook up there, but now we mounted it to the header so we can run it on both combines. And here, I'll show you this. So I probably showed you this in wheat, but we're able to see our grain samples. It's just like quick pictures every second. And then I hit tailings. These are all of our tailings that we're throwing out the back, and then you can see both of them. Then if I go to the next page, you can see our dry yield, wet yield. I said 60 acres, where we've done 50, 30 acres. Pretty much 54. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next pass. It's the next pass now, and my dad just left to go grab the air seeder. And we are gonna plant this wheat. Hopefully we can get it all done tonight, maybe. We are at 62% full. And currently there's nobody in the grain buggy, so hopefully they get back soon. 7. I got my phone charged up, and someone's in the grain buggy now, so I just unloaded. As you can see, 14% full now. And yeah, so I will see you guys on the next pass. Okay, I'm just about to unload, and I will film it.
People I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's pregnant, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same.
That will be a load. Okay, so look at this. So if you look here, I'll put you on time lapse. Actually, yeah, I'll put you on time lapse instead. Just so, look, you can see my reel go back and out, right? Be able to see my reel go in and out. So look, I'm gonna put it all the way in, and now I'm gonna put you on time lapse. Did you see that? The reel leaked out. It, like, I just put it out there, but the whole reel is slowly leaking out. Look, I'll show you on this side. And time lapse. Put it in there, but did you see it leaking out? Well, actually, the last part I just put it out of it because I thought it was done. But yeah, the reel leaks out slowly. Air seeders here, you can see it. And I'm still harvesting. Oh my god, I keep on hitting the volume button and it pauses my video. Got the air seeder, grain cart and stuff over there, and I'm still harvesting. Other than it is nice when I have the camera pointing at me, I can just hit the volume button and the video ends just like this. We are gonna unload now. And last time you got this view, this time you're gonna get this view.
I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here.
Okay, so we're gonna unload again. The first time I showed you unloading, we did this view, then we did that view, and now we're gonna do this view. Okay, 3, 2, 1, time lapse.
I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's pregnant, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just.
Okay. I'll see you guys soon. Sorry about that. I didn't film for a while. We have about 10 acres left. Yeah, I didn't film for a while because my phone actually ran out of storage. So for like the past 10 minutes, I've just been deleting pictures and some apps. But yeah, so I will see you guys in 2 passes from now. We're just going to unload. The first time we unloaded, we did this one. Then we did this one. Then we did this one, and now we're going to do this one.
Right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny.
Probably the last pass. Forgot to film on my last pass. Something tells me I've done that a lot of times before in a lot of my videos. Yeah, so I'm just gonna shut all the lights down here and shut off the combine. Yep, put the key here. Okay. Well, see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, we just finished the field. That's probably gonna be my thumbnail right there. And yeah, okay, see you guys in the next one.
'Cause up here it's pregnant, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends